LGBT, mabait, matulungin. Yun na yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya.
Pareho lang kami dalawa eh. Simple buhay lang gusto. Hindi kami naman mabungga yung kasi kontento naman kami dalawa sa ngayon. So kontento kami naman sa sa simpleng buhay lang.
Hearts in motion spinning, glowing, dancing in the light. Every dream come true, all because of you. I'm waiting for a lifetime. In everything I do, you are the one I choose. Forever and for always, for always. The years have made
We have to start a new marriage life together, to understand each other, to think for each other in each other's shoes, and be able to be patient with each other so that we can keep our marriage for a long time and running forever.
do it all again.
Hindi naman siyang small ng pag-ibig eh. Ang pag-ibig sa akin, minamahal sa lahat. Hindi lang yung mahal sa pamilya, pati yung friend. Forever. Lahat, everything, lahat.
Every dream come true, all because of you. I'm waiting for a lifetime. In everything I do, you are the one I choose. Forever and for always, for always. We dance in the wonder of it all. You make it all so beautiful. Every dream come true.
Thank you sa lahat ng suporta mo pa, Ma. Mula bata pa ako hanggang ngayon. Salamat sa tanan.
Mama, I love you. I love you.
For always, for always, for always, for always, forever and for
Eight years na kami magkakilala.
Actually, matagal na kami nagkilala, pero yung yung relationship namin, bago pa lang.
Kakilala kami sa trabaho.
Itong June 27.
Interest namin sa isa't isa, hindi naman yung puppy love or ano lang, di ba? Gusto namin yun na talaga yung gusto namin na magpakasal kami, na magbuo na kami ng pamilya.
I wanna cherish you, I wanna be your one. Oh my love, I wanna rest with you, I wanna call you home. Safe in your arms, arms. So steadfast you are. God really knew what he was doing, and you're the proof. God really knew what he was doing when he led me to you.
Sa salamat sa nandiyan siya sa tabi ko, na tumating siya dito sa buhay ko.
Mahal, tangi ko lang mapapangako, tasamahan kita sa habang buhay. Saka yung magiging pamilya natin, tataguyod ko hanggang sa huli na hininga ko.
God really knew what he was doing, and you're the proof. God really knew what he was doing when he led me to pray for your heart, pray over your hands. Each day that I do, I will praise him again, 'cause God really knew what he was doing. How sweet.
Mahal, salamat sa lahat na ibigay mo na pagmamahal sa akin at kay mama, sa pamilya. Maraming salamat. Salamat sa Diyos na tumating ka sa buhay ko.
And live with you. How sweet it is to love and live with you. How sweet it is to love.
Wala akong ibang masabi kasi ikaw yung pinakagusto ko. Pinapangako ko na mamahalin kita habang buhay.
Mamahalin kita buong buhay hanggang sa pinakadulo ng buhay natin. I love you, mahal.
See, God really knew